Tea in the Park, the award-winning festival which, despite wet weather, has thrived over the years and in 2013 celebrates its 20th anniversary with a bumper programme.
We are doing some things different. We've obviously got a different lineup. We've got what we think is one of the best lineups we've ever had, with some real gems in there, things like Kraftwerk that people definitely didn't expect to see in there, alongside, you know, the big strong acts there. You know, you can't have too much good music. From the very early days of Tea in the Park, we always knew we couldn't be a one-dimensional festival because we're in Scotland, very small population. So the very first Tea in the Park had a, you know, broad music, had Delamitri and had Rage Against the Machine, you know, two very different bands. The second year we had M People and Kylie Minogue, you know, as well as, and then, you know, Radiohead in the third year. So Tea in the Park has always been diverse in its music programming.
Tea in the Park, there's no doubt, has put Scotland on a you know, world stage in terms of musical provision. Strange to think that, you know, 20 odd years ago there was huge doubt. It was a big risk to do a music festival in Scotland. You didn't have brands involved in music back then, whereas 20 years later it seems commonplace.
Tickets for Tea in the Park 2013 are sure to be in high demand by music fans who love the event.